Hey Madison, so today I'm doing a declutter video and I'm doing all my like pigments and glitters, and I have like 3 drawers of this. So yeah, so basically some of these I've had for a long time and then some of them I just don't use. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the first one, it says like lit TM, so we're gonna swatch each one because why not? And this isn't just glitter, so you would have to get, I'm trying to make this video long. So that's the first glitter, and I really like it one. I like this one because it's like holographic, so I'm gonna keep this. Next one is a smolder one, and it's like a blue holographic, and it's empty. So we have to get rid of it. Next is this one, and it doesn't have a name on it or anything, or brand. That's really ugly, kind of. I don't really know what I would use that for. So we're gonna get rid of this one. Next we have another smolder cosmetics, and this one's like gold. And this one's really pretty, so we're gonna keep that one. Next we have this double stacked one, and it looks like the top one's some kind of glitter. And this one is from Craftobian. Oh, that one's pretty. I'm gonna keep this one. Now we have these still glamorous ones. This one's pretty. So I'm gonna do all the still glamorous ones now. So I'm not gonna like keep on saying the brand. So we're gonna keep that. We're gonna keep this one. And keep this one. We're gonna keep this. Keep that. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna get rid of this one because it's like an ugly green. I'm gonna get rid of this one because it's like a weird color. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna get rid of these greens because they're just like the same ones as the other ones and I don't like them. So I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna keep this one. Keep that one. Okay, now we have Holic Pigment. And I think this is a glitter. So we're gonna keep that one. Next we have a Milani one. And this isn't even a pigment, but it's dried out anyways, so we're gonna get rid of it. Now we have Sigma ones. So we're gonna get rid of these because they're really old. Next we have some MAC ones. All the MAC ones we're keeping. This is an LA Colors one. We're gonna get rid of this. And these are Da Vinci. I'm gonna keep that one. We have an Ulta one. I'm gonna keep this one. A Wet n Wild loose pigment. I'm gonna keep that one. A No Name again. I'm gonna keep it. More Wet n Wild. So we're going to keep the Wet n Wild ones. And then we're going to keep all the MAC ones. So all these. Some NYX glitter. And we'll keep it. So we're going to keep all the NYX ones. We have these. And this brown one. And next we have more of these like double. This one's not even open, so we're going to keep it. This one's not open either, and it's like gold. They're from HALTOM. Next we have a KKW Beauty, and we're going to keep it. But it's so pretty. This one's a BH one. We're going to keep it. So I'm going to get rid of all the Bare Mineral ones because we don't use them. We just got this one, so we're gonna keep it. It's from Makeup Geek. We have an e.l.f. one. And it's not open, so we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep these even though they're old, but they don't make them anymore, but they're super good. They're from L'Oreal. So we're gonna keep these. One more tray. We have some Magic Set mixing stuff. Some MCA Beauty Cosmetics. So we're going to keep all these. We're going to keep all the Makeup Geek too. So we're going to get rid of these color tattoos because they're really old. Next we have a Shine Fix Eyes. And it's like some kind of Korean brand. We're going to keep it. Next we have a collab. Ooh, we're gonna keep that. We're gonna keep the Makeup Geek Fancy Face. This is one of the first ever pigments we got. It's from Fancy Face. Do you wanna keep it? We're gonna keep it because it's so really pretty. I'm not gonna keep this one because it's really old. Another one of these that we're going to keep. Ooh, we're going to keep that. We're going to keep the LA Splash. So we're going to keep all the Smolder ones because they're really good. The last ones are all e.l.f. I'm not going to keep this one. This one's not even open, but it looks like an ugly color. So I'm going to get rid of it. No, we're going to get rid of this. It is gritty. Then we have one more e.l.f. We're gonna get rid of this one too. So that is it. So that was it for my pigment declutter, and this is everything I'm keeping, and this is everything I'm getting throwing away, and this is a pretty good chunk of it. So So remember, always go through your makeup once in a while to make sure you still want it, and make sure it's not taking up extra space that you could be putting new stuff in, or it's gone bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time on Miss Super 12. Bye!